The Minister of Health confirmed yet another COVID-19 death on 1st August 2020, bringing the total to 4 in a period of 10 days since 23rd July when the first COVID-19 death was reported.
Key issue and concern for government as of today continues to be COVID-19 pandemic. Uganda has continued to register COVID-19 deaths, and this should be a major worry to all of us. According to the Ministry of Health, community infections have also started to increase in areas of Kampala, Amur, and Chotera.
Government is now concerned by the rate at which the virus is circulating and warns that the worst might be ahead.
I want to use today's occasion to remind all Ugandans to stop and reflect on their attitude towards the COVID-19 pandemic. It is a killer disease that has claimed thousands of people worldwide, and therefore it is the responsibility of everyone to protect themselves, but also protect the lives of your loved ones by following the guidelines given by the Minister of Health, but also the directives given by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda.
Arcades, markets, and other public places, especially in Kampala, are singled out as places where most people have abandoned the message.
It is unfortunate that despite the death and rising community infections, many people are still failing to go by the preventive measures provided by the Ministry of Health. Government is specifically concerned about the situation in Kampala. All key markets and shops in downtown Kampala are no longer following the recommended guidelines. This is very unfortunate.
Although it is a political season, government warns those defying orders.
As the political campaign period starts to pick up, I want to send a strong reminder to all politicians across all political parties. We all must actively get involved in the preventing of COVID-19. Let us therefore endeavor to stick to the guidelines by the Electoral Commission and also Ministry of Health and avoid big crowds. Sometimes I bleed. I cry deep inside me, seeing a political leader with crowds that are not protected. I believe this should stop if we are to protect the masses.
She reiterates that government could be compelled to act toughly if members of the public continue behaving recklessly.
When I come to speak to you, I'm giving you information, which information needs your action. If you take it lightly, then we shall have no choice, apart from security coming in to enforce the directives. Because we need you alive, you have to be protected in whatever way as Ugandans.
The same message was carried by President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni last week during the NRM party nominations.
If you wanted to see death, you have now seen them. We have been begging you, please don't die, don't die. We beg you, please don't die. People say, no, there is no danger. Okay, now you have seen. If you don't listen, we are really going to have enough work burying the people.
As of the morning of 2nd August 2020, Uganda's COVID-19 confirmed cases stood at 1,176, with 1,045 recoveries and 4 deaths. Robert Onyango, UBC News.